When we think of great films, we often picture the visuals. But what if I told you that the sound might be doing just as much heavy lifting when it comes to storytelling? Sound design isn't just a background noise, it's a storytelling tool. From the rumble of a train in The Godfather that mirrors Michael Corleone's inner turmoil, to the subtle fan in Apocalypse Now, echoing a soldier's haunted memories, sound taps into emotion in ways visual alone can't. And in animation, the challenge multiples. There's no natural audio to pull from. Everything, from footsteps to explosions, must be crafted from scratch. It's creativity through experimentation. Every sound is a choice built to serve the story. That's why collaboration is key. A sound designer works hand in hand with the director to shape the emotional arc. It's not about more sound, it's about the right sound. Sometimes silence speaks loudest. Now, here's one takeaway that is very important, especially if you are a writer or working on audio projects, which is think about sound early. Every writer should consider how sound can cut production costs and boost creativity, like suggesting off-screen crowds instead of massive visuals. That is genius. It reminds us that sound isn't just post-production magic. It's a writing tool too. So, whether you are scripting your next short film, building a podcast drama, or dreaming up a cinematic universe, ask yourself, what does the story sound like? Because when used right, sound doesn't just support the story, it becomes the story. Thanks for watching. If you are into storytelling, sound, or filmmaking, hit like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what is your favorite sound moment in film. Till next time.